Automatic po ba member ng GSIS ang nanay ko na barangay captain sa aming province? Ano din ang mga GSIS benefits niya? Good question po. Sige po, may research tayo nito at ito po yung sagot. Special thanks to Sir for asking this question. Actually, ito yung tanong niya. As you can see sa screen natin, yan po yung tanong niya at yan po din ang sagot natin. So ito na yung reply video, sir. Dated December 11, 2023, no? OFW party list calls for mandatory GSIS coverage of barangay officials. So si Representative Marisa Delmar Magsino filed House Bill 9638, the Mandatory GSIS Coverage for Barangay Officials Act. The bill aims to mandate the inclusion of barangay officials in the Government Service Insurance System or GSIS, ensuring they receive the same benefits as other government workers. With over 40,000 barangays in the Philippines, these local units led by the punong barangay and supported by council members are the backbone of our decentralized local government system. Despite their crucial contributions to community development, public order, and safety, barangay officials are yet to be formally acknowledged as government employees and do not enjoy the same benefits. Thus, I hope this bill will gain the support of our lawmakers and will become a law, said Representative Marisa Delmar Magsino. Simple said, friends, hindi pa po member ng GSIS ang mga barangay officials, barangay captain, barangay kagawad, barangay secretary, barangay treasurer, and other employees sa barangay. Kaya merong proposal or bill na ginawa si Representative or Congresswoman Marisa Delmar Magsino na maging member ang barangay officials sa GSIS. Kasi nga po, grabe ang contributions ng mga barangay officials, no? For community development, public order, and safety. Well-deserved po na maging member dapat sila ng GSIS. Of course, merong legal process po yan. So, dadaan mo na sa law bago ma-approve or ma-implement ang bill na ito. So, let's wait, friends, na ma-approve ito para maging member na po ng GSIS si barangay officials. So, alam nyo, maraming benefits po pag GSIS member po tayo. Nandyan na po yung separation benefit, pension benefits for life, burial benefit, imamatay yung member, and other benefits. Ayan po. So, let's wait, friends. Sana yung mga congressman natin, senators, amenable nito, and bilisan nila po ang pagpasa ng bill na ito and naging law. Of course, dapat po approve po ito ng President of our country. Ayan po. So thank you for watching, friends, and keep watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.